How y'all doing? I'm back, and this is a clean with me video. So as you can see, my room is I'm gonna say lived in. Purses on the floor, a whole bunch of crap right there. Got my water bottle. That's a gallon jug that I have been drinking. Got some detox tea right there next to it. That's my fan right there, because a girl get hot real quick. And just basically life that I'm going through. Let me see if I can turn you guys around. Hold on. Need to be put away, and this is up close of my stuff. Yeah, so this is also bathroom that needs to be cleaned. It's not too bad up in here. Just need to pick up odds and ends, straighten everything out. Yeah, need to get to this. Bunch of junk on the floor. That needs to be organized again, all of my jewelry. Yeah, at the top, that needs to be cleaned and organized. And we need to vacuum, clean, a bunch of stuff, kids, toys. Need to vacuum. So I'm gonna take you along with me today as we clean. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get you guys set up, propped up, so you're not shaking and trembling. So, hold on. fold them over that way. I like to see this side right here. So they all go basically the same way, and I make sure I put them in the closet. Yeah, and they're raggedy, but there was a dollar at Dollar Tree, so I like them all to go the same way. And I put them in the closet like that. Actually, this goes into the girls' bathroom. That's their color. I have all white towels in my bathroom, and this goes in my downstairs bathroom. And these are some of my makeup towels, because I just use them to take the makeup off. They're kind of stained up. Not kind of, they all stained up.
Alvin doesn't listen to me.
Alvin doesn't listen to you?
No.
Why? What's the problem?
No, he wants me to play Portal and I don't want to.
Play what?
He wants me to play Portal and I don't want to.
Have you played something that he wants to play?
No.
Okay, well, you need to play something that he wants to play. He's been playing what you want to play, right? Right. So go play something that he wants to play. Mom life. All right, so back to my jamming. I turned the mic off because I didn't want no copyright foo-foo. So I'm going to turn the mic back on. And then TV dusted. I put back the rugs on the floor. My nightstand is back to its normal course. Put my pillows, well, made my bed, put my pillows on my bed. I dusted my husband's side, put his rug back. TV is done, floor is done. Now it's time to tackle the bathroom and my closet.